Question over here says that interstitial compounds are formed when small atoms are trapped inside the crystal lattice of metals. Which of the following is not the characteristic property of interstitial compound? Well, let me tell you one thing, that what we mean by interstitial compounds. I'll just say the compounds are non-stoichiometric compounds. Interstitial compounds के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो I'll just say one thing, that the interstitial compounds जो हैं हमारे, they are basically what? Non-stoichiometric compounds. They are basically non-stoichiometric compounds. They are basically non-stoichiometric compounds, wherein the small atoms like hydrogen, carbon, they occupy the interstitial sites in the lattice. For example, यहाँ पर देखिए जैसे कि so this is our lattice, and what happens is the atoms get trapped over here in these interstitial voids basically. So these are trapped atoms. These are trapped atoms, okay, and these are basically, if I just talk about these particular thing, these empty sites, na, these are interstitial voids. So what was I saying? Interstitial compounds are non-stoichiometric compounds in which small atoms like hydrogen, carbon, they occupy the interstitial sites in a lattice. Now, what are the characteristics, if I just talk about, of interstitial compounds? Let me actually mention over here regarding the characteristics. Okay, what are the characteristics of interstitial compounds? So if I just talk about it, I'll just say that interstitial compounds have higher melting point than pure metals. Fine. The second characteristic is that they are very hard and rigid. They are very hard and rigid. The third point is that interstitial compounds show conductivity like pure metals. They show conductivity like pure metals. Pure metals. Okay. Talking about the fourth point, that they are chemically inert. Chemically inert का मतलब है कि कोई as such chemical reactions takes place नहीं होती है with these interstitial compounds. That means they are inert. They'll not actually get attacked by the chemicals. So over here, the fourth point is contradicting what I was actually saying. So they are chemically very reactive. No, they are chemically inert. So option number 4 is not the characteristic property of interstitial compounds.